The two traction substation or feeding post has been shown in the figure in the adjacent side. How to chart section after section, that has been shown here. All the isolator switches which will be charged to be closed, keep closed, and first close the feeder CB, then the BM, then one section will be charged up to SSP, then again close the BM of SSP, it will extend up to SP. In the same manner, from the adjacent TSS which is in other phase, first close the isolator switches, then feeder CB, then in BMs, then one section will be charged up to SSP. Next, if you close the BMs of SSP, it will charge up to SP. So two separate phase is available against the SP. If any TSS power supply fails, then we can close the BMs at SP and feed will be extended.